Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Expert Teaching. In this channel, I will teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SSLC NCERT Maths. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the section formula and midpoint formula, chapter 7, Geometry. Consider the line segment A and B and point P somewhere in the between the end point. Here point P is slightly closer to A, right? Does not matter where it lies on the segment, a point always will divide segment into two parts. In this case, divides the point P segments A and B into two parts, right? AP and PB. This is called the internally division on the line segment. The point P divides the segment internally into two parts. Can a point divides a line externally from outside, right? Outside. Let us assume the point P divides the segment A and B. The ratio M1 is to M2, right? You can take another alphabet M and N. So here I will take M1 is to M2. Let us assume the point A of x1 comma y1 and assume B of x2 comma y2. The coordinates of point P gives the coordinates of these 2 points A and B. Let us coordinates of the point P of x comma y. We have the coordinates of point A and B. We have the ratio in which point P divides the line segment AB. We have to divide the line segment AB. We have to find the internal division formula. How the internal division formula, right? The coordinates of point P of x comma y, P of x comma y, the coordinates of point P comma xy, which divides the line segment joining the point A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2. Internally the ratio M1 is to M2, right? We have the formula. The coordinates of point P equals M multiplied by x2, which is x coordinate of point, right? M1 x2 plus M2 multiplied by x1. M2 multiplied by x1 is a x coordinate of point A, right? We divide entire thing by the sum M1 is to M2, or right, M1 plus M2. Similarly, here also the coordinates of y of a point equals M1 multiplied by y2 plus here also M2 multiplied by y1. Coordinates of point y. So we divide the entire thing by the sum of M1 plus M2, right? So this is the section formula. Section formula is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is the section formula. This is called a section formula. The coordinates of point P of x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2. Internally ratio M1 is to M2. We have the formula, this one. This is called a section formula. Let's move on to the midpoint formula. Here also same as we have a line segment AB and take our PQ line somewhere in between. We say that a point P as same procedure. So the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P of x1 y1 and Q of x2 y2 is, we have the formula PQ is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula, right? Next, move on to the area of triangle. Area of triangle formed by the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and also x3 and y3 is the numerical value of the expression. We have the formula 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle formula, right? These are the three formulas. Section formula. Section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the midpoint formula. And similarly, area of triangle 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle formula. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos. Thank you for watching.